When I first see a patient, we always start with doing a comprehensive evaluation of the patient's health, their bone structure, and see what their best needs are. When it comes to determining how long a dental implant restoration is going to last, there are many things that play a part. We begin by starting with the end in mind. We have the best technology, starting with 3D imaging to 3D planning software. Behind the scenes, we are using 3D milling machines. And these are all come together to give the patient the best possible restoration. At Bismarck Advanced Dental and Implants, we only use zirconia. Zirconia is essentially a material that looks and performs like natural teeth. It is very strong, very durable. It'll stand up for years to come, and this is what you will get each and every time. You can go about living your life. There's no expensive tools, there's no high maintenance. It's basically just come to and see your dentist every 4 to 6 months to help maintain the optimal level of oral hygiene. And you'll have a restoration that'll last for many years to come. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact us here at Bismarck Advanced Dental and Implants.